Today we wanted to talk to you about the general manufacturing process here at Davron Technologies. We pride ourselves on the highest quality of manufacturing in the industrial oven industry. Let me give you a glimpse of how we achieve that here at the Davron factory. After an oven has completed the design and engineering process, it'll enter the manufacturing stage. Each of our ovens begins life as a structural frame that's planned and welded here in this facility. This frame supports the interior and the exterior components of all of our ovens. Once the frame is completed, the interior panels can be assembled inside of that frame. After that oven is insulated and then exterior sheeting is welded on. By building our ovens with a structural frame and a stressed external sheeting, these oven sections are able to be lifted as single units and set into place for installation. This is a far superior method than the tongue and groove paneling of many of our competitors. This makes installation much faster, much easier, and the final product is much, much stronger. All of our ovens are designed to accommodate thermal expansion on the interior. After fabrication, each oven is then assembled. Components like circulation fans, burners, exhaust fans, ducting, conveyors, whatever's on that particular oven is then assembled together to form the final product. After thorough in-house and customer testing, each of our pieces of equipment are disassembled and individually wrapped with this marine-grade exterior wrap in order to protect these pieces of equipment as they travel to their final destination.